In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subdomain and install WordPress with Hostinger. Whether you're setting up a blog, a portfolio, or a new section for your current website, this guide will lead you through the process with ease and clarity. First, let's start by creating the subdomain DNS record. To do this, begin by navigating to the DNS zone editor in hPanel. You'll find it under the Domains section. Once you're there, your next step is to add a CNAME record. For those who might not be familiar, a CNAME record is essential because it tells the DNS servers that your subdomain should connect to another domain, in our case, Hostinger. In the CNAME record, enter the name of your subdomain. For example, if you want to create a blog, simply type in blog. Then, you'll need to specify the target. Enter connect hostinger.com as your target. It essentially points your newly created subdomain to Hostinger's servers. For TTL or time to live, you can leave it set to default. This setting indicates how long your DNS query will be cached before a refresh is required, and the default setting usually works just fine. Next, head over to the website section in hPanel. Here, you'll want to find the dashboard for your subdomain. If you don't see it separately listed, don't worry. You should be able to locate it under Domains or Subdomains. Once there, we'll proceed by opening the auto installer from the sidebar. This handy tool will guide us through setting up WordPress quickly and without hassle. With the auto installer open, select WordPress as the application you wish to install. Now it's time to fill in some important details. Start by deciding on a title for your site. This is what visitors will see when they land on your new WordPress site. Then, set your admin credentials. This includes your admin email, username, and password. It's critical to choose a secure password to keep your website safe from unauthorized access. If you're presented with advanced settings, make sure to choose your subdomain from the Installation Path drop-down menu. This step ensures that WordPress installs at the right location associated with your newly created subdomain. You'll also want to select the WordPress version you wish to install, the language options, and how you'd like updates to be handled. Finally, after confirming that all information provided is correct, click Install. The installation process should begin and usually only takes a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, accessing your WordPress admin panel is straightforward. Simply return to hPanel and click on Admin Panel. This will take you straight to the back end of your WordPress site, where you can start customizing it to fit your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully created a subdomain and installed WordPress using Hostinger. I hope this walkthrough helps you on your way to building a great website. Thank you for watching, and happy website building.